If you're looking for wind-up no batteries alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 wind-up no batteries alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Equity by Crosse. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Equity by Crosse. Number 3, by Advance. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Hense. Number 5, by Equity by Crosse. Find these wind-up no batteries alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Elecbank. Number 7, by Mofek. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by ANG. Number 9, by Keep. Discover more wind-up no batteries alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Even.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.